that you please remove them unless due to religious purposes. Thank you, everyone. Good morning, Judge. Good morning to everyone.
Bienvenidos a todos a la Corte del Honorable Juez Sean B. Perkins. Este es el estado de Michigan y estamos en la Corte de Distrito número 36. Mientras estemos en sesión, le pedimos por favor que no estén ni fumando, ni hablando, ni tomando, ni que estén recostados. Bienvenidos a todos.
Good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record and your qualifications, please?
Yes, Your Honor. Evelyn Villarule, certified court interpreter number C3822.
And can you raise your right hand, please?
Yes, sir.
You solemnly swear or affirm that you will truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the manner now before the court, not divulge confidential communications, so help you God?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
And you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you will interpret from English to Spanish, Spanish to English?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
All right, very well. Ms. Hernandez, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Can you state your name for the record and your qualifications, please?
My name is Emma Hernandez, Your Honor. Is CAO qualified Spanish interpreter.
And can you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you will truly, accurately, and impartially interpret the matter now before the court and not divulge confidential communications, so help you God?
I do, Your Honor.
Do you solemnly swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you'll interpret from English to Spanish?
Yes, I do.
Mr. Cesar Castadina.
Señor César Castañeda?
Sí, soy yo.
Yes, that's me.
Buenos dias to you.
Buenos días a usted.
You were ordered to do 12 hours of community service. I see you completed those 12 hours of community service. We're going to thank you for that. And for that, we're going to dismiss your case.
Señor, usted le habíamos ordenado que cumpliera 12 horas de servicio comunitario y veo aquí que usted las ha cumplido. Reconociendo eso, le quiero dar las gracias a usted y desestimamos a su caso.
Gracias.
Thank you.
Great day, sir.
Que tenga usted muy buen día, señor.
Bueno, gracias, igual.
Thank you. Same to you.
Is there a Giovanni Bravo Alvarez here?
Giovanni Bravo Álvarez, ¿está presente?
Is there a Christian Alexander Fugon?
Y Cristian Alejandro Fugón, ¿está presente?
What about a Luis Lopez?
¿Está presente Luis López?
All right, what about a Luis Reyes Perez?
¿Está presente Luis Reyes Pérez?
And where's Cletus Boyd Grooms?
Yes, Your Honor, I'm here.
This is the city of Detroit versus Cletus Boyd Grooms. Good morning to you. Case number U691333824. Appearance for the record, please. State your name for the record, please.
Cletus Grooms.
All right, today is the date and time set for a review. Did you do I see you paid the money. Did you do the testing and the class, Mr. Grooms?
Yes, I did, Your Honor.
Where's proof of that? Where are you, Mr. Grooms?
I'm here.
How do I need proof of the class
Yes, I have proof for the class. I got a receipt for money taken, and I did appear to the class, and they said they would forward that information to you.
No, they haven't forwarded it to me. I don't think. Let me see. You gave them my email address? Or do you
Yeah.
talking about patient? Who said that they would forward it to me?
The instructor of the class.
And you gave them my email address?
Yes, I did. They said it would be forwarded. It was over. It's been over 2 weeks ago now.
And who is the class? Who are they? What people? What's their names? Or where would I get this information from?
There was also a clerk that said that it would be forwarded to her.
The probation officer?
Yes, Mrs. Bumpus.
All right, let's get Mrs. Bumpus in here, please, Miss. All right, let's pass the matter momentarily. We'll get Miss Bumpus in here. They probably did forward it to her. And then we'll let you go if we got verification. All right, Mr. Grooms?
Yes, yes, sir.
This is, where is spot? Yes.
Your Honor, if I may,
Yes.
before we go on the record in the pause matter, there is a offer by the prosecutor, but I need to go over it with my client in Spanish. So maybe we be placed in a breakout room with an interpreter.
We're gonna go on the record and then I'm gonna let you speak to your client.
Sure, thank you.
This is the city of Detroit versus Omar Paz, case number SP 1563543, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Llamamos el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Omar Paz, número de caso SP 1563543, cargos 1 y 2, que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Good morning, Your Honor. Moses Al-Sayed, P number 81873, on behalf of the defendant who's seated to my left.
Buenos días, su señoría. Soy el abogado Moisés El Sayed, representando al acusado que está aquí a mi lado izquierdo, número de abogado P81823.
Good morning, counselor. Good morning, Mr. Paz. Can you please state your name for the record?
Buenos días, licenciado. Buenos días, señor Paz. Señor Paz, ¿puede usted, por favor, decir su nombre para que conste en el acta?
Walter Omar Paz.
Ajá. Walter Omar Paz.
Ujú.
Today is the date and time set for a show cause for purposes of arraignment, counselor.
Este es el día y esta es la hora que habíamos fijado para tener una audiencia para presentar causa.
Your Honor, my client will waive
Respecto a la lectura de cargos,
formal reading and stand mute to the charges.
mi cliente va a renunciar que le tengan que leer los cargos formalmente y guardar silencio.
Ujú.
Can a not guilty plea on his behalf will give him a $0 bond.
Vamos a procesar una declaración de no culpable para él y darle una fianza de $0.
The offer, as it stands now, is pleading to the allowing 12 hours of community service will dismiss upon completion. Your client has an absolute right to a trial. I'll put you in a breakout room.
Thank you, Judge.
Tal como es haberle permitido a una persona sin licencia a conducir, le pediríamos 12 horas de servicio comunitario. Déjele saber que él tiene un derecho absoluto de tener un juicio. Pasen ahora a una sala privada para que puedan hablar.
Ms. Villarreal, those last words, can we save those for the breakout room? It'll probably, I think it'll cut down on a little bit of time.
Absolutely, Your Honor.
If that's not a problem for your memorization.
No, not at all.
Okay, great.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Mr. Else, I'm gonna put you in breakout room as well,
Thank you, Judge.
as soon as I find you. Get the number to the Southwest Detroit and his number as well. You can put it in the chat if he wants to do it. Good morning, Counselor. You're on Bay, right?
Good morning, Your Honor. Yes, I'm on Mr. Cruz and Mr. Fay.
Mr. Cruz and Mr. Fay. Mr. Luis Cruz, does your client want to clear this up with some community service, or what do you want to do?
Want to see if if the officers are going to show, and likely if I'm not able to find anything else, then that's the course of action we're gonna go to, Judge.
Well, is Cruz and Fay go together? As Cruz is not set for trial.
Oh, that's strange because they're co-defendants.
Well, if it's the same officer, then it shouldn't be a problem. Officer is here. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room.
Sorry, yeah.
Put you in a breakout room. Who's that?
I'm here for Mr. Fay.
Hey, good morning, Officer Roberts. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. With the city attorney. Is this a state case or city case?
I was just told it was a state.
Okay, let's call the state prosecutor down, please. All right, we'll wait on the state prosecutor and we'll put you in the breakout room if they get here.
Thank you, Your Honor. I'm fine.
Mr. Luis Lopez.
Señor Luis López?
Yeah, I'm here.
Yes, do you need an interpreter?
Do you need
Necesita
an
intérprete,
interpreter?
señor López.
No.
He doesn't need the interpreter, Your Honor.
Good morning to you, Mr. Lopez. You were, today is a date and time set for a review. You were ordered to do 24 hours of community service.
Yes, sir.
Let's see. And you brought your own tools. What is this thing you built here?
It was a gazebo that they wanted built.
Did you finish it?
I'm still going back to finish it. It's almost done. I just gotta go back and do the finishing touches on it.
You got skills like that, huh? No, they really appreciate that over there. We appreciate it. You brought your own tools. You tilled the soil in that area as well. Are you a carpenter?
Yes, sir.
Well, maybe I need to get your number for future work, huh?
Yeah, most definitely.
All right. I think is it still this 810 number?
Yes, sir. 810-969.
All right. So you have the two. What we'll do is we'll amend this one that you had to allowing and dismiss. And then the other 1 to 5 will close out. And we're gonna dismiss the other allowing. You completed 24 hours of community service. And not only did you do that, you said you're going back and you're gonna do some more because you have to finish up, so. I'm gonna
Correct.
go by and check that out. So we definitely appreciate that. I know they appreciate that over there at the Second Chance Ministries. From the looks of it, it looks pretty nice. I wish I could see more. But I'm gonna close all your matters out, all right?
Okay.
Best of luck to you, sir, and have a very good day.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate you.
That'll do that. Anyone else here for review?
¿Hay alguien más aquí que esté aquí para la revisión, que ya haya hecho las horas de servicio comunitario?
Yo no.
Yo estoy aquí porque hice un pago de un ticket.
I am here because I made a payment.
Who's on the iPhone?
¿Quién está en el iPhone? Señor, usted
sería-
me hizo-
Yo soy yo, estoy aquí por mi ticket. Marco
Señor, ¿cuál es su
Esparza.
nombre?
What's
¿Cuál
his
es su
name?
nombre?
Marco
¿Perdón?
Esparza. Marco Esparza.
Marco Esparza.
Oh, Marco Esparza, he dropped off, all right. And what about the other iPhone, are they still on? All right, let's, iPhone 3.
La persona en el iPhone 3 que se está conectando al audio.
Yo soy Marvin Alexander López Ramírez y también vengo a una revisión de un pago de un ticket.
I am Marvin Alexander Lopez Ramirez, and I'm here also in a revision for paying a ticket.
Lopez Ramirez, I don't have him on the review.
Yo no lo tengo a él por revisión.
Who's on the telephone at 313-663-1359?
¿Quién está en el teléfono que termina en 1359? 313-663-1359.
I'm sorry. And Charles Herworth?
Harold who?
Oh, Charles Herworth. Herwarch.
Oh, Charles Ford. Good morning to you. All right, let's go ahead and let's start with, Antonelli Hernandez Martinez, is that it?
Señor Otoniel Hernández Martínez.
Sí.
Otoniel
Sí,
Hernández
presente.
Martínez.
Soy
Yes,
yo.
present. It's me.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Antonelli Hernandez Martinez. Case number is SP 15-77702, counts 1, 2, and 3, and SP 157775541. Appearance for the record, please.
Este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Otoniel Hernández Martínez, número de caso SP 157-77-021, cargos 2 y 3, 1, 2 y 3, y SP 157-77541. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta.
Elwood S. Berry. Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. Please state your full name, Mr. Hernandez Martinez.
Mi nombre es Edward Berry Jr. representando al acusado. Por favor, señor Martínez, diga su nombre completo para que conste en el acta.
Otoniel Hernández Martínez.
Otoniel Hernández Martínez.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, my client would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Su señoría, para los propósitos de la lectura de cargos, mi cliente cede la lectura formal de los mismos y permanecerá en silencio.
Okay.
I'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. And the offer as it stands right now is allowing 12 hours of a community service and a 1 to 5 over the speed limit, which will be 1 point on your client's license. And I just will wrap it all up in the 12 hours of community service and dismiss the other matters. You have the absolute right to a trial.
You want me to say that when we go to the
Oh,
breakout
no,
room,
I'll put
right?
you in a breakout room. Thank you. I almost forgot. I'll put you in a breakout room. Speak to the Mr. Berry.
Ok, señor Otoniel, nos van a mandar una sala de consulta privada donde le voy a interpretar lo que dijo el juez y su abogado va a hablar con usted. Por favor, diríjase a la sala de consulta privada cuando vea allí la invitación, dele a su pantalla.
All right.
I don't see my rooms here. Where can I leave?
I'm sorry.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Edward Watson. Sean.
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you, sir.
Morning to you too, sir.
This is the city of Detroit versus Edward Lee Watson, case junior, case numbers SP 1564966, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1586240, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to your staff. May it please this honorable court, Chair Harris, P 72832, on behalf of Mr. Watson. Please state your name for the record.
Edward Lee Watson, Jr.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on his behalf. We'll give him a $0 bond. Mr. Watson, the offer as it stands right now, it's no offer leaving the scene of a property damage accident, no offer leaving the scene of a personal injury accident, no offer on failure to I don't know what that is. No offer on failure for it. So basically no offer. You're gonna pretty much, I'd probably be best served going to your alphabet judge. I'm gonna let you speak to Ms. Harris in a breakout room, and she can tell you what I mean by that. This is a pretrial diversion case. If Ms. Harris can consider and secure a offer from you, I would definitely entertain it. But that offer would include doing some sort of community service. Okay?
Thank you, Judge.
You have an absolute right to a trial. Room, please. Can I get the alphabet judge for Please. Okay, let's go past that matter. Let's go back on the record. Mr. El Sayed, who is your client?
Good morning, Judge. Last name is Paz, P-A-Z.
Buenos días, su señoría. El apellido es Paz, P-A-Z.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Omar Paz. Mr. Paz, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Vamos a volver en acta con el caso del señor Paz. Señor Paz, le di la oportunidad de hablar con su abogado defensor en una sala privada de consulta. Licenciado, ¿qué quiere hacer su cliente?
Your Honor, my client will accept the offer that's in the file and plead guilty to allowing in exchange for dismissal of the original claim.
Su señoría, mi cliente va a aceptar la oferta que se le ha propuesto. Se va a declarar culpable al cargo modificado de que le permitió a una persona sin licencia a conducir.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Paz?
¿Y eso es lo que usted quiere hacer, señor Paz?
Sí, exactamente.
Yes, exactly.
Can you raise your right hand, please?
¿Y puede usted levantar la mano derecha, por favor?
Oh, pues la tengo ahí en el cuarto. En mi bolsa.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
¿Jura usted o declara solemnemente que va a decir la verdad, toda la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Sí, lo prometo.
Yes, I promise.
You can put your hand down.
¿Ya puede bajar la mano?
Right. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
¿Y comprende usted que la pena máxima posible para cada uno de estos cargos serían 93 días máximo en la cárcel y o una multa de $500 máximo?
Correcto.
Ajá, correct.
Yes, sir. You have to answer yes or no, sir, please.
Señor, recuérdese que usted tiene que contestar con un sí o un no, por favor.
Okay.
Okay.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
¿Y comprende usted que usted tiene un derecho absoluto de tener un juicio?
Sí.
Yes.
Are you driving this, Felina?
Y él
No.
Not driving? Well, look at me when you say that.
No.
Your Honor, whom are we addressing?
The young lady. You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial, Mr. Omar Paz?
Y señor Omar Paz, ¿comprende usted que usted tiene un derecho absoluto de tener un juicio?
Sí.
Yes.
Do you understand that, did your counsel go over your rights or rights with you, sir?
¿Y su abogado revisó con usted sus derechos, señor?
Sí, exactamente.
Yes, exactly.
And you understood those rights?
¿Y usted comprendió sus derechos?
Todos correctamente.
Yes, all of them, correctly.
And you don't have any questions about those rights?
¿Y usted no tiene alguna pregunta acerca de sus derechos?
No.
No.
You know, by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
¿Y sabe usted que al aceptar esta oferta, usted renuncia a sus derechos?
Sí.
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
¿Y alguien le ha ofrecido usted algo diferente de lo que ya hemos hablado en el acta?
No.
No.
Let me draw your attention back to March the 20th, 2024 at around 12:40 a.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Martin Street and Kirkwood Street. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Entonces, permíteme llamarle la atención a la fecha del 20 de marzo del 2024 a las 12:40 de la madrugada en la ciudad de Detroit, en el área de las calles de Martin y Kirkwood. ¿Tuvo esta ocasión de encontrarse con un policía del Departamento de Policía de la ciudad de Detroit?
Sí,
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
¿Y es cierto que usted iba manejando un vehículo motorizado?
sí,
Yes.
Did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
¿Y el policía le pidió a usted que le enseñara una licencia vigente de conducir?
sí,
Yes.
Could not do so, could you?
Pero eso usted no pudo hacer, ¿no es cierto?
no, sí, exacto.
No. Exactly.
And why is that?
¿Y por qué razón?
No, no la tengo conmigo.
No, I don't have it on me.
All right, very well. I'm gonna find your client guilty of the amending, allowing, or your client to do 12 hours of community service. And
Muy bien,
with stipulated cause, I'll dismiss the other matter.
Así que voy a encontrar que su cliente es culpable del cargo modificado de haberle permitido a una persona sin licencia de conducir. Le ordeno que haga 12 horas de servicio comunitario. Y si usted me deja, desestimo el otro asunto ahora, y si usted me deja saber que hay causas razonables.
Sí,
Yes.
What about a good phone number from your client?
¿Y me puede dar un buen número de teléfono para su cliente? Your Honor, his number is 313-787-6986.
Su señoría, el número de teléfono de él es el 313-787-6986.
And Your Honor, just so the record is clear, my client's first name is Walter. It's Walter Omar Paz, but they wrote the ticket as Omar Paz. Omar is his middle name.
Y para que sepa que conste en el acta, su señoría, el primer nombre de mi cliente es Walter Omar Paz, pero en la boleta de infracción escribieron tan solo Omar Paz.
Okay, does he have the number to this, Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center?
Y él ya tiene el número de teléfono del Centro de Justicia de la Comunidad del Suroeste de Detroit.
I have it, Judge. I can provide it to him.
Yo lo tengo, su señoría, yo se lo puedo proveer a él.
Very well. I'm gonna give him till July the 3rd to complete the hours. If the hours are completed, we'll dismiss the case. If there's nothing further, get in contact with Mr. Phillips this afternoon. And if you don't have any more questions, you have a very good day, counselor and your client.
Entonces yo le voy a permitir a usted hasta el 3 de julio para que usted complete sus horas de servicio comunitario. Una vez que las haya hecho, desestimo el caso. Llame usted esta tarde y va a hablar con el señor Phillips para que pueda hacer los arreglos para sus horas de servicio comunitario. Si no tiene usted alguna otra pregunta, le deseo a usted y a su abogado un buen día.
Nothing further, Judge. Thank you so much for your time. Enjoy your week.
Nada adicional de parte de la defensa. Que usted disfrute de su semana. Gracias.
Good well.
Y usted
Okay.
también.
Mr. Grooms, let's go back on the record with Grooms. And Mr. Grooms, I do have completion of your classes and your testing, and you paid the money. I'm going to close the matter out under disorderly conduct, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, have a good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you. You too, sir.
Mr. Moran, did you speak to the state attorney?
I have, Judge, and we've reached a resolution.
Let's call on both the matters. You've reached a resolution on both the matters?
On both matters, Judge, correct.
Does anybody need an interpreter?
No, Judge.
City of Detroit versus Dennis James Fay, case number SP 155-87401, and the City of Detroit versus Luis Geraldo Cruz, case number SP 155-8664, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ryan Murad, P83665, on behalf of both Mr. Dennis Fay and Mr. Luis Cruz. Mr. Fay, starting with you, sir, can you state your full name for the record?
My name is Dennis James Fay.
Now, Mr. Cruz, unmute your device, sir, and state your full name for the record. Mr. Luis Cruz.
Luis Cruz.
Mr. Waringa, are you there? Okay. Officer Roberts, are you there?
I will acknowledge Officer Roberts' presence earlier, Judge.
Okay. I don't believe he got a chance to speak with anybody. All right, what is the resolution gonna be? Let's start with Fay first.
Yes, Judge, and it's the same for both of them. Ultimately, we'll be pleading to the civil infraction on the PAC for the first offense. That's MCL 333.27965.
MCL 333.27965.
Correct, Your Honor. For first offense, it's a civil infraction punishable by up to a fine not more than $100.
And they said they would do community service, correct?
Mr. Fay and Mr. Cruz, you guys will both do community service because you're getting rid of a misdemeanor and getting a civil infraction. Is that correct, gentlemen?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Cruz?
Yes. Yes, Your Honor.
So for SP 155-86642, that's going to be amended to MCL 333.27965. In lieu of fines and costs, that'll be 6 hours of community service. SP count one of that will be dismissed on Mr. Cruz's count, and for Mr. Fay, this will be amended. SP 155-87401 will be amended to MCL 333.27965. In lieu of fines and costs, will be 6 hours of community service. We stipulate to the faces of the ticket as an active factual basis for the responsible pleas on both.
All stipulated.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter from Mr. Cruz.
All stipulated.
And Officer Roberts, finally you, can you put your appearance on the record, please? Officer Roberts?
Yes.
Can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, Officer Jalen Roberts.
Department and badge number?
Detroit Police Department, badge 2629.
Okay, after they spoke with Mr. Waringa, the state attorney, and the resolution was a pleading for the first time civil infraction. That's MCL 37965. They're going to do 6 hours of community service.
Okay.
Okay.
Yep.
If it's nothing further, officer, I would very much you be safe out.
All right. You as well. You have a good one.
You should. Now there's no wait a minute. 333-67965.
No. Nope. 333-27965.
Yeah, 333-27965. there, is that, section 1?
Correct.
Okay. All right, do you have a good phone number for each one of the defendants, starting with Mr. Fay, please?
I do, Judge. Mr. Fay, unmute your device and state your phone number for the record.
989-254-0970.
Are you in the Metro Detroit area?
Yes, I live in Detroit.
254-989-254-0970.
Yes, I'm from up north, but I live in Detroit now.
Okay. You're gonna get in contact with Mr. Phillips. You can write this number down, 313-879-2155. That's the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center. You're gonna contact Phillips when you get off this afternoon, when the court is over with, set the hours up. I'm gonna give you until July 3rd to complete the hours, all right? That's Mr. Fay.
Yes,
And
Your
then
Honor.
Mr. Cruz, I need a good phone number from you, please.
313-768-4973.
Same, I'm gonna give you till July the 3rd to complete the hours, and call Mr. Phillips this afternoon and get those hours completed. All right, and I'm gonna give you till July the 3rd. So if there's no further questions, you have the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center. 6 hours in lieu of fine cost for both of you. If there's nothing further, we'll have a very good day, Mr. Wright. Thank you very much for an efficient and smooth process. I'll see you next time.
Great to see you, Judge. Everyone have a great day.
Very, very well. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Watson. Mr. Watson, you are going to, was he needing an appointed counsel, Ms. Harris?
Yes, please, and thank you, Your Honor.
All right, and we're gonna send you to your alphabet judge, correct?
Yes, Your Honor, that is correct.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Watson?
Yes, sir.
All right, so I have a phone number here, 313-721-4820.
Yes, sir.
The appointed attorney. And the pretrial date, that case is going to be heard in front of Judge Taylor. Judge Taylor, that's all the way up until August the 20th. That's how far she's backed up at 8:35. You should have long heard from that appointed attorney by that time, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, do you have any further questions, sir?
No, sir. Thank you very much. You have a blessed day.
And you have a better one. Best of luck to you, okay? So next court date is August 20th, 2024 at 8:35 in front of Judge Taylor. And if you don't have any further questions, have a very good day.
You too.
Let's call. What do you got? That's a civil infraction. This is the city of Detroit versus Marco Esperoza, case number SP 1576956, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearing for the record, Ms. Harris.
Erica Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
I think that he may have fell off again. Yeah, Marco Esperoza, he needs an interpreter.
He does need an interpreter, Your Honor?
Marco Esparza, you said?
Marco Esperoza, you don't need an interpreter, huh?
No, I don't.
Okay, let's go back. Let's go ahead, Ms. Harris, appearance for the record, please.
Sherica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Esparza, please state your name for the record.
Michael Esparza.
All right, the offer is going to be pleading to the open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger and allowing. The allowing is a misdemeanor, but it doesn't carry any points, doesn't abstract to the Secretary of State. I'll dismiss upon 12 hours of community service. The open alcohol in motor vehicle passenger is a 2-point offense, alcohol related offense on your record, and that case will not be dismissed. We'll sum those in all in 12 hours of community service, with the other matter being dismissed. You have an absolute right to trial. Hold on, Mr. Esparza. I'm gonna let you speak. I'm gonna let you speak to the attorney. You have an absolute right to a trial. If he wants a trial, we're gonna send him to his alphabet judge. All right.
Okay.
Join the room. You can have a conversation.
Okay.
All right, Ms. Medina, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor, and good morning to everyone.
Let's see. Is your client here?
My client is present with me here at my office, Your Honor. She's in my lobby in my waiting room.
All right, you want to go out and grab her, please?
Yes, Your Honor. I was wondering if this was her alphabet courtroom.
It says the alphabet courtroom.
Okay, give me 1 second, Your Honor. Let me grab.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Hernandez.
Se puede parar atrás.
Está bien, pues vamos para que conste en el acta con el caballero Hernández.
I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel breakout room.
Señor, le di una oportunidad de hablar con su abogado en la sala de consulta privada. Yes.
Your Honor, my client wishes to go to his alphabet judge.
Su señoría, mi cliente desea ir al juez que le corresponde alfabéticamente.
All right, we'll pass the matter until we get the alphabet judge in the next court date.
Está bien, entonces vamos a pasar el caso hasta que tengamos la información sobre, para dársela sobre la próxima día que usted tiene que comparecer ante la corte, ante el juez que le toca. Gracias. Vamos a esperar.
This is the city of Detroit. Does your client need an interpreter, Ms. Medina?
Yes, Your Honor, she would.
This is the city of Detroit versus Maribel Lumley Valiant. Case number SP 1579183 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Llamamos el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Maribel Lumley Valiant. Número de casos SP 1579183, cargos 1, 2 y 3. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Crystal Marie Medina, Your Honor, on behalf of Ms. Lomeli Vaguin, ma'am, I'd ask you to state your name for the record.
Cristal Marie Medina, representando a la acusada señora, le pido a usted que usted diga su nombre para que pueda constar en el acta.
Lomeli Vaguin.
Good morning, my name is Maribel Lumley Valiant.
Morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for arraignment.
Buenos días a usted, señora. Este es el día y esta es la hora que hemos fijado para tener la lectura de cargos.
As the purposes of arraignment, counselor.
Hacia la lectura de cargos que dice usted, abogada.
Your Honor, we would waive formal reading and stand mute, and you would think after all these years I had the interpreter thing down.
Sí, señoría, nosotros renunciamos que nos tengan que leer los cargos formalmente y vamos a guardar silencio. Y uno pensaría que después de tantos años ya yo supiera cómo trabajar con un intérprete.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Right, I'll enter not guilty plea in your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. There's no offer on these cases, so I can give you an opportunity to speak with Ms. Mason. But you can either set a trial date or I guess talk to Ms. Mason right now.
Yeah, Your Honor, whatever would work well for the court. Oh, I apologize.
Así que vamos a procesar una declaración de no culpable para su cliente y darle una fianza de $0. En este momento no tenemos una oferta de parte de la fiscalía. ¿Le puedo dar usted una oportunidad para hablar con la señora Mason para pedir una fecha de un juicio?
Is she available now, Your Honor, to speak with? Oh, yep.
¿Y ella está disponible ahora para poder hablar con ella, su señoría?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Can join the breakout room and speak with Ms. Please.
Ms. Mason, váyase al cuarto privado de consulta.
Just pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Hernandez. Mr.
Volvamos
Hernandez.
para que conste en el acta con el señor Hernández. Señor Hernández.
Presente.
Here, present.
I have another court date for you in front of Judge Millhouse.
La juez que le toca es la juez Millhouse y tengo la próxima fecha para que usted se presente ante ella.
The Zoom ID, hold on, somebody's talking. The Zoom ID is 360-360-0340.
Your Honor, 360-360-0340.
0340, yes. And the pre-trial date is going to be July the 26th, 2024 at 8:35.
Señor Hernández, su fecha para comparecer ante la juez que le toca, que es la juez Millhouse, es el día 26 de julio del 2024 a las 8:35 de la mañana. Y la identificación de Zoom para que usted se conecte con esa juez, anote por favor, es 360, nuevamente 360 0340.
Sí.
Repita.
360-0340.
Perdón.
360-0340.
Señor, es 2 veces 360. Twice 360.
A ver, 360-040.
Señor, 360.
Ajá.
Otra vez 360, 2 veces 360. Y después de último 0340. Son 10 números. 10 numbers.
8. Yo tengo 8. 360-30340. Me faltan
No,
2.
señor. Señor.
¿Me lo puede repetir, por favor?
360. Otra vez tiene que anotar 360. 2 veces.
Oh, ya.
Y después 0340. 10 números en total. 10 numbers.
Ya. 360.
Repítame. Ajá.
360-6340.
Repítame otra vez, señor.
3,
por favor.
0, 3.
No. 3, 360.
Sí.
360-0340.
Oh, ya. 3, 6, 0, 4, 0.
Señor, cuando usted está hablando, algo hace que se interrumpe y yo no puedo oírle.
A ver.
Dígame
3,
sin tocar nada.
3, 6,
Ajá.
0, 3, 6, 0, 0, 3, 4, 0.
Perfecto, thank you. Sí. The judge answered you. El juez le contestó.
Your next court date is gonna be July 26, 2024 at 8:35. If there's nothing further, sir, have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Señor, su próxima fecha de la corte con esta nueva juez va a ser el 26 de julio, 26 de julio del 2024 a las 8:35 de la mañana. Si no tiene más nada que agregar, que tenga muy buen día. La mejor de las suertes para usted. Se puede retirar.
Muchas gracias. Que tenga
Thank you
bonito.
very much. Have a beautiful day.
Adiós.
Adiós.
All right, Ms. Medina, you've spoken with your, Ms. Mason?
Yes,
Ya,
Your Honor.
¿No se ha hablado con la señora Mason? Sí, su señoría.
Yes, Your Honor. At this time, we would be hoping to set a trial date.
Sí, su señoría, en este momento nos gustaría poder fijar una fecha para tener un juicio.
Okay, is that what you want to do, Ms. Lumley?
Y señora Lomelí, ¿eso es lo que usted quiere hacer?
Sí.
Yes.
All right, the trial date is gonna be August the 20th, 2024 at 9 a.m. It's nothing further. You and your client have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Muy bien, entonces la fecha para el juicio va a ser el 20 de agosto del 2024 a las 9 de la mañana. Si no tienen nada que agregar, les deseo un buen día y buena suerte a usted y a su abogada.
Thank you very much, Your Honor, to you, your staff, and Madam Interpreters. Bye. Thank you.
Thank you.
Goodbye, Ms. Medina.
All right, have a great day.
Que tenga usted buen día.
And let's go back on the record with Mr. Esparza.
Yes.
I understand that you want to hold a trial, right? Let's get his alphabet judge.
Okay.
Counsel, we'll get your alphabet judge. This is the city of Detroit versus Christian Sebastian Hernandez Ora. Case numbers SP 1530578, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, where is this defendant on the docket?
He is on the 835.
Under 835. Is this Cristian Hernández Correa?
Correct, yeah.
Así que se llama el caso de la...
He doesn't need an interpreter.
Oh, perfect. Thank you, Your Honor.
Go ahead, Mr. Hernandez, or state your name for the record, please.
Christian Sebastian Hernandez Ora.
And appearance for the record, please. Well, this is going to be a dismissal. He brought in valid documentation with insurance and registration. So I'm going to dismiss the case.
Your Honor, but I have another ticket I got another court for this month coming up at July 5th. Same thing. You told me to bring that same ticket. My bad.
Now, what does your shirt say?
Fernandez Concrete.
Oh, that's your concrete company? Are you any good?
Yeah, we do foundations, everything.
Let's also call SP 1568214 counts 1 and counts 2 into the record as well. I will dismiss the cases. That's an expired plate and no insurance. I have a copy of registration and a copy of insurance. I'm satisfied with both, and I'll dismiss both cases for providing valid documentation. Yes. All right. Now we need to wait on the paperwork. Maybe I need to get your number too.
313-671-8051.
8051.
We work everywhere, Grosse Pointe, St. Clair Shores, Birmingham, everywhere.
Bonus and concrete. All right. Best of luck to you and have a very good day.
Have a blessed one. Thank you.
But brings me to, did we get a Sparza? Let's go back on the record with a Sparza. The Sparza, your alphabet judge is Judge Archer. 360-333-0000. Your next court date is going to be June the 12th. That's going to be a pre-trial date.
Tal vez que fuera a su casa, pero no puedo.
Get yourself some. Next court date is going to be June 12th, 2024 at 8:30. I have a phone number here, 313-205-7665. Is that correct?
You said what? 205-7665?
Yes, 313.
Yes.
You have that, all that information, and I have the file marked, need an appointed attorney. If that attorney doesn't call you, let them know over there that you requested an appointed attorney, okay?
Okay, will I get like a notice on the mail about the court date?
You should. Is this your correct phone number? I mean, are you still on Central Street?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you should, but I would rely on our communications right now, June 12th, 2024 at 8:35, okay?
8:35, June 12th. Okay.
Judge Archer, yes.
Okay.
Nothing further. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
So is yours. Thank you.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Luis Antonio Reyes Perez, case numbers SP 136-78571, SP 156-6876, counts 1 and counts 2. For the record, please.
Se llama el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Luis Antonio Reyes Pérez. Números de caso SP136-78571, SP156-6876-1 y SP156-8763. Todos digan sus nombres.
Do you need an interpreter, Mr. Perez?
No. My name is Luis Antonio Reyes Perez. I do not need an interpreter.
Very good. You indicated that you needed more time to complete community service. What's going on?
Yes, I did. I asked because I was working in Indiana, and I wasn't in town.
How much time do you need? I'm gonna give you I'm gonna give you till July the 3rd, okay?
That will work.
All right, and you have the number to Mr. Phillips.
Yes, I do.
If there's nothing further, have a very good day, sir. Best of luck to you.
Thanks, Your Honor.
All right. This is the city of Detroit versus, there's Miguel Hernandez Gutierrez there. Miguel Hernandez Gutierrez. I saw Miguel. All right, let's move on. What about Tony Rodriguez Castillo?
Tony Rodríguez Castillo está presente.
Sí, presente.
Yes, I'm present.
Yes, he is. Would you like to do some community service to clear this matters up?
¿A usted le gustaría hacer servicio comunitario para aclarar esta situación?
Sí, claro.
Yes, of course.
I don't see him on the docket.
I don't either, Your Honor.
Sorry, 8:30 in the middle. Below Perez.
You say you must have a different docket.
I do see him there. He is below Paris. He's on page 2, 8:30, right in the middle.
Yes. Thank you, Ms. Hernandez.
You're welcome.
Right, I didn't see it. City of Detroit versus Tony Rodriguez Castillo, case number SP 1579491. Appearance for the record, please.
Llamamos el caso de Detroit versus Tony Rodríguez Castillo, número de caso SP 157-94911. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Castillo.
Berry representando al acusado. Usted, señor, diga su nombre completo.
Tony Josué Rodríguez Castillo.
Tony Josué Rodríguez Castillo.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Su señoría, para el propósito de lectura de cargos, vamos a renunciar que nos tengan que leer los cargos formalmente y vamos a guardar silencio.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Will give your client a $0 bond. At this time, we're going to dismiss the case. He paid 3 related civil infractions.
Vamos a procesar una declaración de no culpable y darle a su cliente una fianza de $0. En este momento vamos a desestimar el caso debido a que él ya pagó por 3 infracciones civiles relacionadas a este caso.
That's it, Mr. Castillo. You have a very good day. Case is closed, okay?
Y eso es todo, señor Castillo. Que usted tenga muy buen día. Su caso queda cerrado. ¿Está bien?
Okay, gracias, muy amable.
Okay, thank you. That's very kind of you.
Best of luck to you.
Y muchísima suerte que le deseo a usted.
All right, Marvin Alexander Lopez Ramirez.
Marvin Alexander López
Ramirez, I guess he's
Ramírez.
gone. I don't see him up here. That gets me down to Mariah. This is the city of Detroit. Is this Mariah Hope Neal? Do you need an interpreter, ma'am?
No, Your Honor, I don't.
It's the city of Detroit. Good morning to you. This is the city of Detroit versus Mariah Hope Neal. Case number SP 157-29321, SP 157-6087, counts 1, 2, and 3, and SP 157-60891. Appearance for the record, please.
Sheriff Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name for the record.
Mariah Hope Neal.
Where is she? I think I see you up there.
Can you hear me?
I
Can you hear me?
you. Yeah, I can hear you. I just need to see you. I can hear you. Good morning to you, ma'am.
I can see a video on my end. You can't see me?
I can see you. The
Oh, okay.
allegations are that she, one, drove through a funeral procession. That's an absolute no-no if it's true.
Don't say anything, Ms. Neal. Don't say anything.
I'm sorry. I apologize.
I really don't think a lot of people understand how sacred that is. I see it a lot now. I was in a funeral procession for my friend last year, and they were just going right through us, turning in front of us and doing all of that stuff. But I went down south last year for my friend's father's funeral, and they were actually, everybody pulled over on both sides of the street, whether it was a boulevard or not. Everybody took their hats off, the people that were on the side of the road. I can remember a day back in Detroit where they used to do the same thing, but you just don't see that kind of respect anymore. Today is the date and time set for an arraignment, and I'm not saying that you did any of this stuff, but I just commented because that's the first time I've seen that allegation in front of me, and it probably could be written a lot more. But today is the date and time set for an arraignment. Go ahead, counsel.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
You're not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. The offer, it's probably no offer, Ms. Neal, because all of the legally scenes of a property damage accident and reporting and all of that stuff is typically no offer. They want to speak with the city attorney. So we're going to get you to your alphabet judge. I probably will never know your side of the story behind that, but we'll get you to your alphabet judge, and you have an absolute right to a trial. I'll also put you in the breakout room. You can speak to Mrs. Harris just to get some clarification, okay?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Join the room, please. Can we get alphabet judge, please? Fetlina's iPhone, that is Fetlina Ayala Cell.
Yeah.
Buenos dias. Necesito interpreter.
¿Usted necesita intérprete?
No.
No.
Give me the correct pronunciation of your last name, please.
Ayala.
And it's a hyphenated last name, correct?
Excuse me?
It's a hyphenated last name. Is that correct?
Yeah.
And what's the other part of it?
Maciel.
Maciel. All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Fetlina Ayala Maciel. Case numbers SP 157-81231 and SP 157-8115, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Maciel.
Carolina.
Full name, ma'am.
Oh,
Say that again.
Carolina Ayala Maciel.
Today is the date and time set. Arraignment, counsel, go ahead.
Yes, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on her behalf. We'll give her a $0 bond. Let me ask you this, Ms. Ayala, are you in the driver's seat of a vehicle now? I didn't hear you.
Yeah,
Do you have a valid driver's license?
yeah, I got it yesterday. A permit?
A permit? Is there somebody in the vehicle with you?
No, I'm outside my aunt's house.
Oh. Run her license, please. All right, let's pass the matter and get, would you like to do some community service to clear this up, or would you like to see if you can get a money judgment?
I'll do some community service.
And how old are you?
18.
18. I'm gonna run the driver's license.
Judge, this is the city prosecutor, Diachiku Mason, 43471. If her record's clean, I'll give her a blockading.
Is it a back on the record with Ayala? Is it a permit from Michigan, Ms. Ayala?
Yeah. Wait, a permit. I don't know what does that mean?
Let's see what you have there.
Well, I have this. I don't know how to spell.
All right, here we go, Ms. Mathis. You have a driver's license number? Hold on a second. All right. It's slide it over just a little bit to your left. Okay, hold on.
Hey.
Here's the number. That's all right. You can put it down. All right, let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Neal. Ms. Neal, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do? Obviously, probably just go to her alphabet judge, correct?
That is correct, Your Honor. We're requesting the appointment of counsel.
Is that what you want to do, Ms. Neal?
Yes, sir. Can I also make a statement?
You want to?
Yeah, I just wanted to let you know that my insurance, because they did give me a ticket for not having insurance. So it lapsed, and I just wanted to let you know that my insurance is paid for 6 months now. Like I have the card.
Let the other judge know that, all right?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
I would just say that you have insurance now. That's all you need to say.
Okay.
And was this an appointment of counsel as well? Yes. So I'm going to give you a court date for Judge Millhouse is going to be your next judge. And her Zoom ID is going to be 360-360-0340.
I'm sorry, can you repeat that?
360-360-0340.
Thank you.
And I wrote down your email address and I'm marking the file that you need an appointed attorney with your phone number. So you should expect a call from an attorney in the next couple of days, hopefully. But if you don't hear from one, you'll get a chance to let Ms. Millhouse, Judge Millhouse, know that you wanted an appointed attorney. So we tried to mark the file. Hopefully so that means answer the calls you don't necessarily recognize, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
July 26, 2024 at 8:35 is your next appearance date, okay?
Okay, thank you.
If it's nothing further, ma'am, have a very good day and best of luck to you, okay? All right. This is the city of Detroit versus where's Lopez? This is the city of Detroit versus Jorge Garcia Lopez. Case numbers SP 155-47301, SP 155-8916, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Llamamos el caso. Does he need an interpreter, Your Honor?
I believe so.
Mr. Garcia Lopez, is that correct?
He needs an interpreter.
Así que llamamos el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Jorge García López. Número de caso SP15547301.
Elwes Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lopez.
Are you on, hold on a second, Mr. Berry, are you on Mrs. Ayala?
No.
Okay,
oh, yes, Your Honor, I apologize, yes.
All right, Ms. Harris, can you put your appearance on the record for Lopez, please?
Señora Harris, ¿puede su nombre para que conste en el acta para el caso del señor López, por favor?
Cherica Harris on behalf of Mr. Garcia Lopez. Please state your name for the record.
Sí, soy Cherica Harris representando al señor García López. ¿Usted, señor, puede por favor decir su nombre para que conste en el acta?
Jorge García López.
Jorge García López.
All right, today is the date and time set for show cause on 2 of the matters and a pretrial on 1.
Así que este es el día y esta es la hora que habíamos arreglado para tener la audiencia para mostrar causa para 2 de los casos y para el otro tener la consulta previa al juicio.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Para el propósito de lectura de cargos, mi cliente va a guardar silencio.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Why don't you get an updated offer or just clarification on the offer? I don't know if Ms. Mason knew that that was the same person. And you want to clear this up with some community service, Mr. Garcia Lopez?
Señor García López, ¿quiere usted resolver este asunto haciendo unas horas de servicio comunitario?
Sí, está bien.
Yes, that's fine.
An updated offer, and you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris, okay? Join the room, please. Right. I'm gonna join the room, Mr. Hernandez. He's in there, he's in there. All right, let's go back on the record, Ms. Ayala. Ms. Ayala, you're itching to get back behind the wheel of that vehicle, aren't you? I mean, you're itching to get back on the road, aren't you?
I'm just outside because I have like little cousins and they're crying.
And you're not about to go anywhere, Ms. Ayala?
No, I'm gonna go back to the house.
All right, the driver's license is, so for the prohibited left turn, will offer you a blocking traffic in lieu of fines and costs. You do 6 hours of community service. So that way, it doesn't abstract to the Secretary of State, so therefore it won't carry any point. And the Secretary of State does not have to know, nor do the insurance companies have to know that you got a point ticket or that you were even driving. You want to take the deal, ma'am? Keep in mind you have an absolute right to a trial. Let me let you speak to Mr. Berry, all right? And he can give you some information on what we just said, okay? All right. Join the room, please. Speak to Mr. Berry. And get her necessary information for Mr. Berry too.
Your Honor, may I ask if the person that is name is Gio's iPhone 2 is Mr. Giovanni Bravo Alvarez for the review?
You may.
Señor Gio, en el iPhone 2, ¿cuál es su nombre, por favor? Abra su micrófono. Gio, iPhone 2.
Giovanni Bravo. Giovanni Bravo
Yeah,
Álvarez.
thank you. Gracias. ¿Necesita intérprete, señor?
No, está bien.
Okay.
Right.
Yes, Your Honor. He is Giovanni Bravo Alvarez for review and he doesn't need an interpreter. Thank you.
Good morning. This is the city of Detroit versus Giovanni Bravo Alvarez, case number SP 152-88671 and SP 156-91721. State your name for the record, please.
Giovanni Bravo Alvarez.
All right. Today is the date and time set for a review. Is my understanding that you needed more time?
Yes. If I would give more my community service.
All right. Come back on July the 3rd. You have the number over there, right?
Yes, I do.
All right, call Mr. Phillips this afternoon, set the matter up, and come back on July the 3rd, Mr. Bravo Alvarez. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, Judge. You too.
Who's on the iPhone 3? And what
¿Quién
about
está
Miguel?
en el iPhone 3?
They don't seem to be there. What about Miguel? Okay. Feel free to leave, Mr. Alvarez.
All right, thank you. You have a good one.
Señor, el que dice Miguel, ¿cuál es su nombre?
Miguel,
Miguel Echeverría Sánchez.
Miguel Echeverría Sánchez, Your Honor. He's in A10, first page.
Oh, les digo por qué.
Pues dígame por qué.
Maria Sanchez, I got you.
Ajá. ¿Necesita intérprete, señor?
Sí.
Pero explícame.
And he needs interpreter.
Si no te van a decir que todos los cargos que
Señor,
tiene.
tiene que poner su micrófono en silencio porque todo se oye e interrumpe.
¿Cómo? Perdón.
You want to do some
Excuse me?
community service to clear this up?
Señor, ¿quiere hacer horas de servicio comunitario para arreglar este
Sí.
caso?
No, porque a mí se equivocaron conmigo. Pararon a mi hijo y me dieron stickers a mí. Yo tengo licencia. A mi hijo lo pararon por no licencia. Él agarró un carro mío y le dieron tickets a él y también le...
No, because the ticket, they stopped my son. And he was stopped by no license, but they gave me the tickets to me.
No tenemos el mismo nombre.
Yo tengo licencia. Tenemos el mismo nombre. Yo tengo licencia.
I have license. We have the same name.
Okay, let's go back on the record, Miss Ayala. Miss Ayala, do you understand what's going on now?
Yeah,
Do you want to do the community service, ma'am?
yeah,
All right, stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for that responsible plea, counselor.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic in lieu of fines and cars. I'm gonna allow her to do 6 hours of community service. I need a good phone number from you, ma'am.
313
Yes.
240 1275.
Do you have the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center?
Yeah,
All right, give Mr. Phillips a call this afternoon, set those hours up, and make sure you don't operate outside of that permit. You need to have a licensed driver with you, ma'am.
okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you. Have a good day.
July the 3rd is their next
Okay.
court date when the hours need to be completed by.
Okay. Have a good day.
You're very well. This is the city, you too. This is the city of Detroit versus Miguel Angel Echevilla Sanchez, case number SP 1579171, counts 1, 2, and 3, and SP 157917141. Appearance for the record, please.
Este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Miguel Ángel Echeverría Sánchez, número de caso SP 157-91-711, cargos 2 y 3, 1, 2 y 3, y SP 157-91-741. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, sir.
Edward Berry Jr. representando al acusado. Señor, por favor, diga su nombre completo.
Miguel Ángel Echeverría Sánchez.
Miguel Angel Echeverría Sánchez.
For purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, we would, my client would remain silent.
Para los propósitos de la lectura de cargos, su señoría, mi representado va a permanecer en silencio.
I'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Your client indicated to the court that that's not his tickets, it's his son's tickets.
Su cliente le ha indicado a esta corte que no, las boletas de tránsito de infracción no corresponden a él, corresponden a su hijo.
Explain to your client that the tickets are in his name, so he's gonna just have to go through the process as if as if it were his. Obviously, there will be a time where an ID issue comes into play, and it could potentially be resolved on that day.
Do you want me to interpret that, Your Honor, now?
Yeah,
Or
I
in
don't
the-
know.
Now, okay. Señor, por favor, abogado, explíquele por favor a su representado que los tickets, las boletas de tránsito, de infracción de tránsito están en su nombre. Por lo tanto, él va a tener que ir en el proceso en el día de hoy y para la próxima vez, pues esto va a salir a reducir y entonces se tomarán cartas en el asunto.
I'm gonna put you in a breakout room, have a conversation with your attorney, and you may have to get out that judge.
Señor, lo voy a mandar a una sala de consulta privada para que usted hable con su abogado.
Join the room, please.
Por favor, únase a la sala de consulta privada cuando vea la invitación.
He's in there.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Berry, so I don't know how you want to proceed on that, but maybe that's best to go to his alphabet judge. It's an ID issue.
I would think so.
Okay. Right. Let's go back. Let's go off the record with Mr. Sanchez. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Garcia Lopez. Mr. Garcia Lopez, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Volvemos en el acta con el caso del señor García López. Señor García López, le di la oportunidad de hablar con su abogada en una sala privada de consulta. Dígame, abogada, ¿qué quiere hacer su cliente? Yes.
Your Honor, my client was able to show a valid international license.
Su señoría, mi cliente me pudo mostrar a mí una licencia internacional vigente.
He was not able to show insurance.
Pero no me pudo mostrar comprobante de seguro de vehículo.
While he is agreeable to doing community service, he would prefer to pay his fines and costs.
Aunque él está dispuesto a hacer horas de servicio comunitario, prefiere tan solo pagar sus costos y multas.
All right. Since he'll be with me anyway, both last names, G and L, I'll allow him to pay $240 and dismiss upon paying.
Muy bien. Debido a que de todas maneras él estaría frente a mí, le voy a permitir a que él pague por su multa. Debido a que el nombre de él termina con una G o una L, te tocaría estar en esta sala. Le pediría yo $240 de multas y costos, y una vez que las haya pagado, el caso queda desestimado.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Garcia Lopez?
¿Es eso lo que usted quiere hacer, señor García López?
Sí.
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand?
¿Puede usted levantar la mano derecha?
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
¿Jura usted o declara solemnemente que va a decir la verdad, toda la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Sí, juro decir la verdad.
Yes, I swear to tell the truth.
You can put your hand down.
Ya puede bajar la mano, señor.
Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Y comprende usted que la pena máxima posible en este caso serían 93 días en la cárcel y o $500 máximo en multas?
Sí, está bien.
Yes, that's fine.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
¿Y usted entiende, verdad, que tiene un derecho absoluto de tener un juicio?
Sí.
Yes.
Ms. Harris went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Y la señora Harris revisó sus otros derechos constitucionales cuando estaban en la sala privada de consulta, ¿no es cierto?
Sí.
Yes.
You understood those rights?
¿Y usted comprendió los derechos?
Sí.
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
¿Alguna pregunta que usted tenga acerca de sus derechos?
No.
No.
You know, taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
¿Y sabe usted que al aceptar esta oferta de resolución, usted renuncia a sus derechos?
Sí.
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
¿Y alguien le ha ofrecido a usted algo diferente de lo que ya consta en el acta?
No.
No.
And let me draw your attention back to February 19th, 2024, at around 5:54 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of McGraw and Central. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Así que entonces permíteme llamarle la atención a la fecha del 19 de febrero del 2024, aproximadamente a las 5:51 de la tarde, en la ciudad de Detroit, en el área de las calles de McGraw y Central. ¿Tuvo usted ocasión de encontrarse con un policía del departamento de Detroit?
Sí.
Yes.
Strike that.
Tachamos eso.
Let me draw your attention back to March 16th, 2014, at around 11:33 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Verner and Highway and Vinewood Street. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Entonces, permíteme llamarle la atención a la fecha del 16 de marzo del 2014 en la ciudad de Detroit, en el área de las calles de Verner y Vinewood. ¿Tuvo ese día usted ocasión de encontrarse con un policía del departamento de Detroit?
Sí.
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle on that day?
¿Y ese día iba usted manejando un vehículo motorizado?
Sí.
The
Yes.
officer asked you to produce valid insurance on that vehicle.
Y el policía le preguntó a usted que si le pudiera enseñar seguro de vehículo vigente.
Sí.
Yes.
You could not do so, could you, sir?
Pero eso usted no pudo hacer, ¿no es cierto, señor?
Sí.
Yes.
Why is that?
¿Y por qué razón?
No lo tenía, no tenía vigente.
It was not valid. My insurance was not valid.
Very well. Find your client guilty of the amended count of improper plates. That's a 0-point offense. It won't abstract to the Secretary of State, and I'll dismiss it upon payment of $240.
Muy bien, así que encuentro que su cliente es culpable del cargo modificado de tener placas incorrectas. Por eso son 0 puntos en la licencia de conducir y esto no se le va a revelar a la Secretaría del Estado. Le pido a él que pague $240 y tan pronto los haya pagado, el caso queda desestimado.
Está bien.
That's fine.
Stipulation of probable cause, I'll dismiss the other 2 matters.
Y usted puede estipular, si usted puede estipular que hay causa razonable, puedo desestimar los otros 2 asuntos ahora.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Así lo estipulo, su señoría, estoy de acuerdo.
All right, Mr. Garcia, when can you pay $240?
Señor García, ¿para cuándo pudiera usted pagar los $240?
El día que sea.
Whatever day it is.
Let's pay it by next Wednesday. Come back next Wednesday at 8:25. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the 2 best ways I can tell you to pay it, Mr. Garcia. If you don't have any further questions, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Así que, señor, le voy a permitir usted hasta el miércoles que viene para que pague su multa. Y entonces le pido también que usted regrese el miércoles que viene a las 8:25 para que podamos revisar su caso. Usted puede pagarlo aquí en la corte en persona o puede ir y pagarlo en cualquiera de los kioscos que se encuentran en la ciudad de Detroit que se llaman DivDat. También usted puede poner el app en su teléfono de DivDat. Esas son las mejores maneras para uno poder pagar. Si usted no tiene alguna otra pregunta, le deseo a usted muy buen día y se puede desconectar.
Está bien. Igualmente, gracias. Buen día.
That's fine. I wish you the same. Have a good day.
You as well.
Y usted también.
Gracias.
Thank you.
This is the city of Detroit versus Lorenzo Eugene Galmore, case number SP 1598600, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 151103551. SP 1519681, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1557193, counts 1 and counts 2, 4, 7, 3, 2, 1, 2, 9, 1. Hearing from the record. Ms. Harris.
Sure. Cherica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Galmore, please state your name for the record.
Lorenzo Eugene Galmore.
Galmore.
Today is the good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, Counselor.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Obviously, it's a lot more than what's on the docket. So if you have an ink pen, Ms. Harris, I can give you the cases that are not on the docket.
Ready.
So it is a failure to use turn signal, civil infraction. An improper equipment, civil infraction. Drove to avoid signal, civil infraction. 16 to 20 miles an hour over, civil infraction. An improper equipment, civil infraction. An expired plate, civil infraction. A no insurance misdemeanor. And a failure to stop sign, including.
Can you repeat those, Mr. Berry? Can you mute yourself, please?
Yes.
Could you repeat the last few?
A failure to stop at a stop sign. So I have 2 no insurance misdemeanors. The one included on the docket, one that's including the one that's on the docket. I have another one that's outstanding. So I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 cases into the record. 2 no insurance misdemeanors and the rest of them civil infractions. You have an absolute right to a trial, sir. You can either do community service and get a pretrial diversion offer, or you can, I'll give you an opportunity to settle up with payment. That'll be up to you. I'm going to let you speak to Mrs. Harris in a breakout room, and you let us know what you want to do when you come out, all right?
Okay.
Got like, oops, excuse me.
Okay. iPhone 3. Did they fall asleep back there?
La persona con el teléfono iPhone, ¿se quedó usted dormido?
And this is off the record, Mr. Berry. What is Mr. What's your client gonna do?
Go to his alphabet judge, Your Honor, to contest the matters.
Okay, very well.
Esto es con el señor Berry. Señor Berry, ¿qué desea hacer sentado? Su señoría, él desea ir a al juez que le corresponde alfabéticamente.
Okay, Andrew Gibson. Good morning to you,
Yes,
sir.
Good morning, sir. How are you doing?
Oh, very well. Are you Samuel Gibson?
No, Andrew Gibson.
I don't see an Andrew Gibson. Do you have a middle name?
Wayne.
Supposed to be here tomorrow. We're here today. You have a valid license?
Yes, I just wrapped up my my Allen Park ticket and they reinstated my license.
Can you run his license, please? What about valid plates?
Yes. I don't no longer have the vehicle that I was ticketed in, but I do have valid plates on my new vehicle.
Let's see the plates on your vehicle, please. I just want a registration form.
I don't know if you can
back it up a little bit. What's this, one of these motorcycles?
Yes, sir.
Were you riding a motorcycle at that time? I'm
No,
satisfied.
sir.
You have a car?
Yes, I do.
Do you have registration for the vehicle, your car?
I just bought that car like 2 days ago, so I haven't even went to the Secretary of State yet for it.
All right, the license is still suspended.
Shouldn't be. I just hung up the phone with the court. I was on the court at the same time as you guys. My court for
Yeah,
those
but it's gonna take a minute for it to be reinstated if that's what's messing your license up.
Okay.
And you're sure they're gonna give you a license?
Yes, sir. That was the only ticket that I had that was hindering me from my license.
Waiting on this. All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Sanchez. Mr. Sanchez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. And you guys make the determination to go to your alphabet judge, right?
Señor, volvamos para que conste en el acta con el caso del señor Sánchez, Miguel Echeverría Sánchez. Señor, le di la oportunidad de que hablara en una sala de consulta privada con su abogado y usted quiere ir al juez que le toca según su apellido alfabéticamente. ¿Es así? Abra su micrófono para contestar, por favor.
¿Qué dice aquí?
¿Es así, señor? ¿Quiere ir al juez que le
Sí.
toca alfabéticamente? Yes,
Sí.
yes. He had trouble opening the mic, Your Honor. So I repeat.
Okay. So do you understand, your other judge is going to be Judge Archer. Her Zoom ID is 360-333-0000. Your next court date is going to be June the 12th, 2024 at 8:35, and that's a pre-trial.
Espérate.
Señor, la nueva juez que le toca es la juez Archer.
Okay.
Y el número de Zoom con el que se tiene que comunicar con la juez Archer es, anote por favor, 360-333-0000. ¿Lo tiene? You got it?
Sí, sí.
Okay. Eso el día va a ser, Your Honor, June 12th, right?
Sí, June 12th at 8:35.
Thank you, Your Honor. El día que se va a conectar va a ser el 12 de junio del 2024 a las 8:35 de la mañana, igual como se conectó y se comunica con ese otro número, y eso va a ser para una consulta previa al juicio.
8:35. Junio 11, ¿verdad?
12.
12.
June
Junio
11, 12. June 12. Junio 12.
Junio
June
12.
12.
Ok.
Okay, June 12th, okay.
If it's nothing further, sir, have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Señor, si no tiene ninguna otra cosa, la mejor de las suertes para usted, que tenga un excelente día, se puede desconectar.
Igual para ustedes, gracias.
Same for all of you, thank you.
All right, good. This is the City of Detroit versus Andrew Wayne Gibson Jr., case number SP 1330721, SP 1425495, counts 1 and counts 2. This is an off docket arraignment on the bench warrant. Appearance for the record, please, Mr. Berry.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant, state your full name, Mr. Gibson, for the record.
Yeah. Andrew Wayne Gibson Jr.
And this is Gibson. Correct, Mr. Gibson? Correct, Mr. Gibson?
Yes, sir. I'm sorry. I thought my phone was, I thought it was unmuted.
Today is the date and time set. We'll call the date and time. You're supposed to be here tomorrow. We'll call the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Counselor, go ahead.
Yes, Your Honor. Waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on his behalf. We'll give him a $0 bond. Mr. Gibson, when are you going to have that car registered and a valid driver's license?
I can get the car registered this afternoon, and then I mean I should be able to have my license this afternoon too, since they cleared that was the ticket that suspended my license. So they dropped that. They dropped it. I'm sorry.
It's going to be that quick, but let's have you back next week and see how it goes. All right.
Okay.
If you got a registration and a license, I'll dismiss the tickets. June the 6th, come back, June the 6th on a Thursday, all right, at 8:30. It's nothing further, sir. Have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Thank you, you as well.
Thank you. Mr. Berry, this is the City of Detroit versus James Charles Herworth, case number SP 156536161. SP 1565317, counts 1, 2, and 3, and SP 156532221. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant, state your full name, Mr. Herworth.
You're going to have to press *6 to unmute yourself, sir. Mr. Herbert? Yes, there you go. Good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Charles Herworth.
Okay, today. Go ahead.
For purposes of arraignment, my client would stand mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on his behalf. We'll give him a $0 bond. This is a case of the same, leaving the scene of a property damage accident. So this is best going to this alphabet judge, Judge Millhouse. You understand that, Mr. Herwood? I'm gonna put you in a breakout room so Mr. Berry can explain it to you. Mr. Berry, can you give him the information of Judge Millhouse? That's gonna be, the Zoom ID is gonna be 360-0340. And the next court date is going to be July the 24th, 2024 at 8:30, based on the nature of the allegations.
Yes, Your
Honor. All right, Mr. Herworth, I'm going to give you a chance to speak with the lawyer. And if you don't have any further questions after you speak with them, you're free to leave. But if you have some more questions from the court, you can come back in the courtroom, okay?
Okay, thank you.
He's in there, Mr. Berry. On that iPhone 3, are you sleeping or something? iPhone 3.
La persona con el teléfono iPhone número 3, ¿qué es lo que pasa? ¿Está durmiendo o algo?
Well, they're gonna miss it. Miss Garcia Norma.
Señora García, primer nombre Norma.
Buenos días to you. Necesito interpreter.
Yes.
¿Necesita intérprete, señora?
Sí.
Yes.
We're gonna wait on a lawyer.
Estamos esperando que tengamos un abogado presente para representarla. ¿Ok?
Okay, gracias.
Ok, thank you.
Ms. Garcia, do you have a valid driver's license?
Señora García, ¿tiene usted una licencia de conducir que esté válida?
Bueno, ya termino de sacar esta.
Yes, I just recently got this one.
Okay, hold on a second.
Espere tantito.
Es un international driver.
It's an international license for drivers.
All right, very well. This is,
Muy bien.
let's go back to the record with Mr. Galmore. Mr. Galmore, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, for the record, there was an offer extended. Mr. Galmore could admit to 16 to 20 over, and all of the remaining matters would be dismissed. I did explain to him that that would be 4 points on his driving record. At this time, we are respectfully requesting a trial and/or a formal hearing date.
Trial and formal hearing. Is that what you want to do, Mr. Galmore?
Yes, sir.
Now let's do that on August the 20th, 2024 at 9 a.m., okay? August 20th, 2024, 9 a.m. You don't have any further questions, sir. You are free to leave. Have a very good day.
Thank you.
Thank you. This is the City of Detroit versus Norma Guadalupe Garcia, case number SP 1579777, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1579791. Appearance for the record, please.
Se llama el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Norma Guadalupe García, números de caso SP 1579777, cargos 1 y 2, y SP 1579791. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Cherica Harris, on behalf of Ms. Garcia, please state your name for the record.
Yo soy Cherica Harris, representando a la señora García. Señora, por favor, diga su nombre para que conste en el acta.
Norma Guadalupe García.
Norma Guadalupe García.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Para el propósito de lectura de cargos, mi cliente va a guardar silencio.
You are not guilty plea in your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Your client did hold up what I thought was she indicated was an international license. The offer as it stands right now is 12 hours of community service for the allowing and 1 to 5 disregard the red signal, dismissing the no proof of insurance. She has an absolute right to a trial. Put her in the breakout room and have a conversation with you, Ms. Harris.
Nos van a pasar una sala privada de consulta, señora.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, sí. ¿Y
Join
qué
the room,
pongo?
please.
Por favor, acepte la invitación para que pase a la sala privada de consulta, donde dice join o unirse.
She's in there.
Okay. Which room are they in, Your Honor? I didn't get my prompt.
You're in there, 3.
3. Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
Not really, it's not close out.
Okay.
Is that'll do, will that do it for, Mr. Herwalk is good?
Yes, Your Honor. He's gone.
This iPhone 3 never, I put iPhone 3 out, seeing if they would prompt them to come back in, but they never did. There he is. What, did you fall asleep on us, ma'am?
Sorry.
Yeah, you did, huh? All right, what's your name?
Sharice Liddell.
This is the city of Detroit versus Sharice Liddell. Case numbers SP 154-05791. And SP 157-34921. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Liddell.
Sharice Deshawn Liddell.
Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Is an off docket matter, disregarding a red signal, I believe. Open alcohol in the motor vehicle driver, you don't have to file her.
She was on Sherman's docket.
Okay, open alcohol in the motor vehicle driver. So you have an absolute right to a trial. The lowest the city will go on the open alcohol in the motor vehicle drivers, open alcohol in the motor vehicle passenger. I call that a non-offer because it's the same 2 points, same abstraction on your driving record, and it's an alcohol offense on your record. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room, and Mr. Barry can get you an offer on the disregarding the red signal. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room, speak to Mr. Barry. Keep in mind, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay, Ms. Liddell? Join the room, please.
Ms. Mason, can we meet in 4 or? I think I'll go to breakout room 4, Your Honor, and wait.
Well, speak to her. She might just want a trial date.
All right.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Garcia. Ms. Garcia, I'll give you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what your client want to do?
Volvemos en el acta con el caso de la señora García. Señora García, le di la oportunidad de hablar con su abogada defensora en una sala privada de consulta. Dígame, abogada, ¿qué quiere hacer su cliente?
Your Honor, my client did present a valid international license.
Su señoría, mi cliente sí me pudo mostrar una licencia internacional que está válida.
I was hoping she could admit responsibility and she is willing to do community service.
Espero que ella pueda decir que es responsable y que esté dispuesta a hacer servicio comunitario.
Responsibility to what?
Pero responsable a cuál cargo.
The remaining part of the offer, which was disregarding a red signal 1 to 5 over.
A la oferta que se le presentó, que desobedeció una señal roja de 1 a 5 millas sobre el límite.
Absolutely.
Absolutamente.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Gracias, señor.
Is that what you want to do, Ms. Garcia?
¿Y es eso lo que usted quiere hacer, señora García?
Sí.
Yeah. Yes.
I need a good phone number from your client.
Necesito que su cliente me provea un buen número de teléfono para ella.
I have placed it in the chat, Your Honor.
Ya se lo mandé a usted, su señoría, por el chat.
Is 313-469-2492 a good number you can reach out, Ms. Garcia?
Señora García, ¿nos podemos poner en contacto con usted si marcamos el 313-469-2492?
Sí.
Yes.
Do you have the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center?
¿Y ya tiene usted el número de teléfono para el Centro de Justicia de la Comunidad del Suroeste de Detroit?
Sí.
Yes.
Okay, will you stipulate on behalf of your client to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea, counselor?
Y abogada puede estipular a lo que dice la boleta de infracción para proveer un fundamento donde hay causa razonable.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Así se estipula, su señoría.
And stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters?
¿Y puede usted estipular que hay causa razonable para desestimar el otro asunto, abogada?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Así lo estipuló, su señoría.
All right, I'm going to find your client responsible for the amended count of 1 to 5 over. In lieu of fines and costs, I'll allow her to do 6 hours of community service with the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center.
Así que encuentro que su cliente es responsable a la acusación modificada de que iba de unos 5 millas sobre el límite. Por ese cargo le pido 6 horas de servicio comunitario en vez de pagar costos y multas.
With stipulation of probable cause, dismiss the other matters.
Si usted puede estipular que hay causa razonable, desestimo los otros asuntos.
And Ms. Garcia, I'm going to give you until July the 3rd, 2024 to complete the community service. I'm going to have you call Mr. Phillips this afternoon and speak with him to set those hours up.
Así que, señora, yo le permito a usted hasta el 3 de julio para que complete sus horas de servicio comunitario. Le pido a que usted llame esta tarde al número de teléfono que le dimos y pida hablar con el señor Phillips.
¿Cómo?
What is that?
Call Mr. Phillips at the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center, that number you have.
Llame esta tarde al señor Phillips al número de teléfono que es del Centro de Justicia de la Comunidad del Suroeste de Detroit. Ya le dimos ese número de teléfono.
Gracias.
Yes.
You understand, ma'am?
¿Usted ha comprendido, señora?
Sí.
Yes.
Okay. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Muy bien, entonces, si no hay nada que agregar que tenga usted muy buen día y buena suerte a usted.
Okay.
Your Honor, can you
Thank
provide
you.
me with her phone number?
313
¿A quién le estoy llamando?
469-2492.
Creo que ya lo tengo que salir, ¿no?
Señora.
All right. All right, do you have any other questions, Ms. Garcia?
Señora García, ¿es que usted tiene otra pregunta?
Sí, ¿a qué hora tengo que llamar allí?
Yes, what time do I have to call there?
You can hang up and call them now.
Usted puede ahora desconectarse y darles a ellos una llamadita.
Muy bien. Gracias.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
Que pasen un día muy bueno.
Igualmente, buen día.
Yes, same to you. Have a good day.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Lydell. Ms. Lydell, I'll give you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, Ms. Liddell believes that she has appointed counsel. That she spoke to appointed counsel back in April.
And who was that appointed counsel?
It was Benjamin Warbling, I believe.
Warbling.
Yeah, he was there on April 11th, and he said he was going for a dismissal.
All right, get Mr. Warbling on the phone, please.
Your Honor, this is Interpreter Hernandez. May I be please dismissed?
Oh, you may.
Thank
Ms.
you, Your Honor.
Hernandez, and Ms. Villarreal, I don't think anybody else is going to come in. So if you want to both leave, you're able to. Thank you very much. Have a very good day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Soon.
Thank you very much. Bye-bye, everybody. Nice to see you all. Bye-bye. Thanks.
Bye-bye.
What's the times now?
Lydell, Sharice, Lydell. What's Warbling's on?
I just said, I'm taking all the time.
This telephone number, you about to call it up? 248-506.
506.
0291.
Mr. Warbling. Hey, how are you? Very well. Can you zoom in right quick? 1 second. This is Judge Perkins. Can you zoom in right quick? Yeah, right quick. Yeah. 0000. Good. Thanks for zooming in right quick, Mr. Warbling.
No problem, Your Honor.
Are you familiar with Miss Lydell? She has open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver. She spoke with you the last time. I don't know if you were her appointed counsel or if you were just in the court at that time.
Okay.
She believes you're her appointed counsel.
Ms.
So maybe
Lydell.
it's in a court on April 11th. And then my next court date was supposed May, I don't know, May 10th or 14th, but it got rescheduled.
Oh, when was your first court date, Ms. Lydell?
April 1st, April 10th, then they rescheduled to April 11th.
That was a Raymond Day. That was Millicent Sherman. Oh, it in front of me. Went to a not guilty plea on May the 14th.
I'm kind of at a loss because I don't remember meeting Miss Lydell. I don't have any recollection.
I don't remember your face either, but I got your name now with my name date. So
Do you want us to appoint Mr. Warbling for you? He's a very good lawyer.
Thank you. Thanks, Judge.
Available.
Yeah.
Mr. Warbling, are you available to take the appointment?
I sure am. Thank you, Judge.
I don't know why your name is wrote down. It's definitely
Hey, let's go back on the record with Ms. Lydell. Put you in a breakout room, Mr. Warbling. As a matter of fact, Mr. Warbling, can you put your appearance on the record?
Sure. Ben Warbling, P64889 on behalf of Ms. Lydell.
All right. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Lydell. Why don't you two get acquainted? And I have the appointment. We're gonna appoint Ms. Lydell. Mr. Warbling, we're gonna appoint you to this case, okay?
Sounds good. Thanks, Judge.
I set a trial date for August the 20th, 2024 at 9 a.m.
That works, Your Honor.
August the 20th, 2024 at 9 a.m. Join the breakout room and exchange numbers, and then we will go from there.
Yes, thanks, Judge.
So you're in the breakout room. You got a case?
Yeah, I do. Two people I want. Yeah, I think this is the wrong courthouse. We got two people on. Being wrong. Go to the federal court. Get me a federal lawsuit. Leave out of here and never come back. Come here and bring donuts every day. That would be perfect. You want to orange it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Cloudy time?
I don't know if it's sweet or not. It's my first one.
They usually are.
Phillips. In here.
Hi, how you doing? I had to unmute myself.
I just wanted to say hi.
How you doing?
I'm all right. How you been?
I'm doing better. Doing a lot better.
That's good to hear.
Yeah. Still working on getting better.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
You all set?
Yes, Judge, did she? They gave her instructions to leave the breakout room.
All right, if there's nothing further, then we'll come back out.
Okay, perfect, Your Honor. We'll see you then. Thank you,
Very
Your Honor.
well. Slidell, have a good day. You can go back to sleep now, Slidell.
Yeah,
Well, all right, we'll be in touch. Thanks, Ms. Liddell. Thank you, Judge.
thank
All
you.
right, thank you.
So that's it.